Yes, I see it at the natural sea moss. This is me I say. Yeah, man, natural sea moss. No sweetener, no agave, no nothing. You see what I say? Yeah, man, one Congo lad. Sun Life Total Health. See it? Real sea moss. See? I just make them. And I have a buckle and seal them up and thing. See the sea moss in a gel form. Say, yeah, never boil the sea moss that you lose the nutrients from it. Say, so it's all about steaming to interlock all of the nutrients that you didn't remember, over 90 odd minerals within the sea moss. See? Yeah, so after I do this process, I am going to show the item, the strawberry one, you know. Yeah, I am going to make strawberry mass after, because that's one of the people's favorite. Strawberry with the same sea moss, which is this. Same iris moss, same moss, see? And we mix it with original strawberry, you see? And agave. See what I say, agave. So, yeah, this is a process, one of the process. See it here, man, I just done backlit and thing. I go forward to the strawberry sea moss, and then I go forward to like the okra punch side. Yeah, so we have a whole lot of things going on at 4060 White Plains Road. And as they made a vibration, Rastafari. Yeah, Naya Bingi drumming and the whole vibration, see? Yeah, man, see that? Yeah, Rastafari, see? Yeah, I just hold a sip out of Island mash, see? Yeah, I don't say it work. Rastafari, you know? So these are the regular sea moss, unsweetened. So I'm saying, at Sun Life Total Health, Congo, away you there? White Plains Road 228. Right, that's the thing there. Manners and respect my family. Selassie.